We are pleased to show you the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lamps, skid plates, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.